We are ready to solve a couple of problems using the distribute strategy for two two-digit numbers, following 4 steps. Step 1. Write both factors in expanded form. The first factor is 21, and that would be 20 plus 1. And the second factor is 13, which would be 10 plus 3. Question: how did we write both numbers? We took the two factors, 21 and 13, and wrote them in expanded form. 2 in the tens place, 1 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place. Step 2. Ready, read. Set up the box model. Well, this time, because we have 2 columns and 2 rows, we're going to want to set up a bigger rectangle that we can now put a line straight down the middle and a new line that goes across a 2 by 2 box in this situation. Now, after we draw our boxes, we need to put the values along the columns and rows of this box. We will start off with the first factor going along the row side, starting with 20 on the top row and 1 on the bottom row. We will then write 13, or 10 plus 3, 10 and 3 along the top column, starting with 10 and then 3 over the second column. We have set up the box model. It is ready to be our personal multiplication table. How did we set up the box model? We set up the box model by making sure we had a 2 by 2 box. We wrote the expanded form values along the side for the row of the first factor, 21, 20, and 1. We wrote the expanded form values of 13, 10, and 3 along the top of the columns. It is now ready to multiply within. Step 3. Multiply to find the value for each box. 20 times 10 will give me 20 plus an extra 0 at the back there, so that would be 200. 20 times 3, I'm thinking of $20 bills. If I have 3 $20 bills, I have $60. 1 times 10 equals 10, and 1 times 3 equals 3. I have multiplied and found the value for each box inside of our box model. The question for step 3, how did we use the box model? Well, after step 2 and having the problem set up, all that was needed to do in step 3 was to multiply and find the 4 values that go inside of the 4 boxes of the box model. Step 4. Find the product by adding all the box values. I have 200 plus 60 plus 10 plus 3. And however you would like to add it, sometimes people can add it while it's in the boxes here. I'm going to show it and extend it out so that we can see clearly that these 4 values add together to give us 273. So that is the product, 273. 21 times 13 equals 273. The question for step 4 is, how did we find the product? Think about where we stopped with step 3 and how did we finish in step 4. Well, at the end of step 3, we had all 4 values in our box. So for step 4, to finish and find the product, we took those 4 values and added them and found that 21 times 13 equaled 273. You are now ready to complete problem 6 using the distribute strategy for two two-digit numbers.